Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for calculating probability from Venn diagrams. So Josh has 12 identical cards with the number 1 to 12. So 1 to 12 is the universal number. So the universal number is 1 to 12. He shuffles them and chooses a card at random by drawing a Venn diagram. Okay, for the Venn diagram, so let us write the square here. Here is the universal number. And we got the circle first and second circle. Okay, so we got even number and multiple of 3. Here is for the even number. Here is multiple of 3. Okay, so let us list the even number here. So even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Next, for the multiple of 3, we're starting by 3, 6, 9, and 12. Okay, so for the starting point, we need to find that have both of them from even and multiple of 3. So we got 6 and 12. So we'll write it down, 6 and 12. So we'll write the remaining for the even number. So 2, 4, 8, and 10. Next, the remaining for the multiple of 3, we got 3 and 9. So what is the number neither even nor multiple of 3? So let us count 1. Okay, 1, there is no 1 here. 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 7, and 11. They are not even and multiple of 3. Okay, we need to find the probability. So if even number, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over total of 12 number. So we can simplify to 1 over 2. Next B, even number or. Okay, here or multiple of 3. So even number, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can count all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 8 over 12. We can divide by 4 both of sides. So it's gonna be 2 over 3. Next for C, and even multiple of 3. So even of multiple of 3 is only 6 and 12. So 2 over 12, we simplify to be 1 over 6. Next for D, neither even nor multiple of 3. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 over 12, we simplify to be 1 over 3. Okay, next to number 5. So Jaras has 20 markers in her pencil case. There are 6 whiteboard markers and then 4 green markers. Only one of the whiteboard marker is green. Okay, so we can draw the square, the rectangle, 2 circle. It is too big. Let's make it. Do we have here? Yeah, square. Okay, and circle 1, 2. Okay, there it is. So look at the information that we got. We have 6 whiteboard and 4 green marker. Only one of the whiteboard marker is green. So only one from whiteboard is green. Okay, so the remaining, here we got 6, we minus by 1. So this is 5. And then 4, we minus by 1. Only green, so this is 3. Look at there, we got 20 markers in her pencil case. So what is the not whiteboard or green marker? So 5 plus 1 plus by 3 equal to 9. So 20, we minus it by 9 equal to 11. So outside is 11. Here is the diagram Venn. Okay, work out the probability that a marker chosen at the random is not green. So this is for not green. So we got 5 and 11. So here is not green. 5 plus 11, we divide with the total 20. So you got 16 over 20. Both of them we divide by 4. So this is 4 over 5. Next, the second, a non-green whiteboard marker. So it's only 5. So total of 20. So this is 1 over 4. Here is neither green nor a whiteboard marker. So here outside 11. So that is 11 over 20. This is the simplest form. Okay, next. Okay, a group of 240. So the total is 240 visitors to London were asked whether they had visited any of 3 attractions. The attractions were the Science Museum, the London Eye, and the Madame Tussauds. 10 people had visited all 3 attractions. Okay, we wrote it here, 10. And then 30. Here, 30 people had visited. Here 30 people had visited the London Eye. And okay, here is 30 people. But not the Science Museum. So only London Eyes and Madame Tussauds without the Science Museum. So we write it 30 here. Okay, the third information, 20 people had visited Science Museum and Madame Tussauds, but not the London Eye. So this is 20. Next information is, let's change it, 40. Here, 40 people total had visited the London Eye. Okay, here 10 plus 30, 40. Okay, that's already. And 160 had visited Science Museum. So we got 30 here. So 160 minus by 30. So only Science Museum is 130. Next, we got 30 people. Survey had been known to 3 of these places. Okay, this is known as 30. Okay, what is the missing? Are they already 240? So let us add. So here we got 10 plus by 20 plus by 30. 10, 20, and 30 plus by 30 again plus by 130. Okay, here we got 50 plus by 10 with 30 is 40 and 130. So 130 we plus by 90. Here is 220. Okay, we need 240, so we need 20 more. So the information they haven't mentioned it yet for here is only the set is 20. So you write it 20. Okay, A, we completed the Venn diagram. B, how many people visited the Science Museum but neither of the other attraction? So here is 130. How many visitors went only to the London Eye? This is 0. Because for the London Eye, they have also visited Science Museum and here Madame Tussauds. Okay. D, how many people did not visited the, okay, did not, so we got 130 plus by 30, here 130 from Science Museum only and 30 from none of them, so total of 160. Is it correct to say that 1 in 8 people surveyed visited none of these places? Let's check it. So the probability is 30 over 240. Okay, this is 1 over 8. Yes, this is possible. However, let me write it. However, this is a small sample for a busy. Yeah, because London is a busy city. And also the answer only can apply to this group and not to tourists as whole or the other tourists. This is only for this group, 240 visitors. There it is. Thank you.